How to fix Facebook connection lost problem. Hey everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Play Store. Then search for Facebook. Then if there is an update button instead of this open button, simply tap on it and get the latest version of Facebook. Next step, go to settings, go to apps, then find Facebook. Then on its storage section, simply tap on clear cache. Sometimes this problem also occurs due to the server issues. If the server is down, you can't do anything but wait and it will fix on its own. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.